Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are about to explore and do photo shoot here at Wat Arun. And nandito na tayo, it's currently 10 minutes before 8 a.m. bago mag-open yung temple. And also as you can see, rent na rin tayo ng costume, and also we hired a photographer for us today. So antayin na lang natin mag-open yung temple and we're good to go para pumasok sa loob and explore Wat Arun for the second time. So we finally made it here inside the Wat Arun, and we are about to start the photo shoot.
Yeah, when I dress I don't think so much. I could be the gold, I don't need too much. I'ma set a goal, I'ma eat that lunch. Baby so cold, get that ice cream truck. Chitty, chitty, kitty, kitty, no la borca. Kitty, kitty, yeah, we gonna run this town. Hit me up, cause I got what they like. Baby got no chance, better hit that dance. Na na na, I'll be there, 고민하지마. Na na na, I'll be there, 망설이지마. But you don't know about me. Yeah, yeah, you gon' know about me, boy. 아름다운 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. What you say? 끝없는 같이 you know it's on me. Got that? Ooh, what you say? Are you ready, set, turn on the lights, baby? Got passion, ambition, 난 보란 듯이. Look at that, 온몸으로 느끼는 내 몸짓. Baby got drip, 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 drip. Baby got drip, 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 drip. Say, let a monster, monster, monster came to conquer, baby, holla, what's up? We the best, the rest, confess, the way, brand on chatty, the backwa. Y to the G, no copy, no knock off. In my life, this bitch, I'm gonna walk off, monster, guac, jab, hold tight, got you bye bye, you know we gon' ride. Na na na, I'll be there, 고민하지마. Na na na, I'll be there, 망설이지마. But you don't know about me. Yeah, yeah, you gon' know about me, boy. 아름다운 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. What you say? 끝없는 같이 you know it's on me. Got that? Ooh, what you say? Are you ready, set, turn on the lights, baby? Got passion, ambition, 난 보란 듯이. Look at that, 온몸으로 느끼는 내 몸짓. Baby got drip, 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 drip.
Oh, yun na.
Okay, so andito pa rin kami ngayon, nagpo-photo shoot sa Wat Arun. And napakaganda talaga ng palace nila dito, no? We also have the elephants here. There. And since maaga tayo, konti pa rin ang tao, no? So kung pupunta kayo dito sa Wat Arun, make sure na maaga kayo pumunta. Opening mismo ng temple para di masyadong crowded, kundi lang ang tao. And at the same time, hindi ganong kainit. So since it's morning tayo pumunta, malamig ang simoy ng hangin, wala pa si haring araw. So ganun din kayo. And nagahan nyo, like mga siguro, alis kayo sa hotel yun ng 6 a.m. Makakarating kayo dito ng 7:30. You still have ample time to look for a shop that you can rent your traditional Thai costume. We hired a photographer for 2,000 baht for 2 people. And this Thai traditional costume is 100 baht per person. The last time I rent this for 150 baht. Kaso, close yung shop na pinagrentahan ko noon. And mabait din kasi sila, no? Tsaka yung photographer, okay. And this time, medyo, alam niyo na, nangangapa. But all good. Ito tayo ngayon, nakaupo, nagpapahangin. Teka lang, naririnig niyo ba ako? Naririnig niyo ang aking blow dry? Okay, so ito tayo ngayon, nagpapahangin. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Naririnig niyo itong Jisoo Life ko? Again, kung pupunta kayo dito for photoshoot, make sure it's morning and magdala kayo ng Jisoo Light. Though hindi naman ganun kainit, no? Nakakapagod lang yung lakad dito, lakad doon, tapos naka-Thai traditional costume ka. Kaya papawisan ka rin talaga. And mahabang pasensya, yun lang. Mahabang pasensya ang kailangan dito.
What's up? We the best, the rest confess, the way brand on chatty, the bakwa. Why to the G, no copy, no knock up. In my life, this bitch, I'm gonna walk up, must see, watch my whole tight, got you bye bye, you know we gon' ride. Na na na, I'll be there, 고민하지 마. Na na na, I'll be there, 망설이지 마. But you don't know about me, yeah yeah, you gon' know about me, boy. 아름다운 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. Look at that on my mirror, looking in the mountain. Baby got drip, 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 drip. Baby got drip, 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 drip. 가끔 쓰러진데도 I'ma shine as bright as diamond. Say my name, 다시 일어나. Now watch me do it all again. Baby God, baby God, baby God, drip, 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 drip. You know we got that drip. Baby God, baby God, drip, 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 drip. Got that drip, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so ngayon guys, tina-transfer na ni Kuya yung picture sa phone natin. And we're done. We are finally done with our photo shoot here at Wat Arun, and I'm sweating so hard right now. What can you say? How was it?
But nice. It's
But
very
nice.
good.
And
Highly to recommend for everyone.
and also the Thai traditional costume is done. Now let's wait for the augum
Yes.
and the Philippine traditional dress. Not also Thai. Nice.
The small one you have in there.
Nice. Now let's walk outside the exit and return the traditional Thai costume
And the umbrella.
and the umbrella.
Under the umbrella. Ella. Ella.
So beautiful here.
Mm.
Next up, Grand Palace reclining Buddha.
In traditional dress.
No, not anymore. It's hot. I'm good with this.
But better than the lady. You know, with all the makeup here.
Yeah. And the headdresses.
Nhận thấy điều đó từ những người mặc áo không có phía của bức ảnh tại
Before it's yellow and green. Now it's red.
Even inside is changed.
Here, the exit. The last time I'm here, it's red and gold. Now, I mean, green and... So we are currently inside now, and we had a pic of the Buddha here in Thailand. Let's go. After na natin, yung narent natin costume here sa shop na to. And ito siya. A lot of fabrics and a lot of option to choose. Ayan, may mga customers sila ngayon. And air condition dito guys, just so you know. Bill. Still using our GC light fan. I would like to have milky strawberry prop. Yeah.
Milky is no more than
50%. Yeah. Hi guys. Currently at Cafe Amazon, chilling here. Look, Powerpuff Kitchen wine box. So last time, dito ako umupo. The last time I've been here, I seated here because I was alone. Now we sit here because there's a plug.
You're not alone anymore.
Yes, and there's also a, an outlet where I can charge. So let's just chill here, have ourselves cool, and remove the sweat here.
It's okay.
Again, andito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Amazon and we are chilling
Nearby.
here. I'm having the strawberry milky shake here and it's so good guys. Hindi siya ganun katamis, sa tama-tama ang timpla. So, malamig dito, no? Ito siya. Dito rin ako tumambay last time. Nung mag-isa lang akong nagpunta dito sa Thailand. Super chill here.
So you're sayari.
But the downside here is they don't have a toilet here. But okay na rin kasi bago kayo pumunta dito sa Cafe Amazon, there's a toilet there sa Wat Arun. So better to use toilet first before you go to any cafe here. Now, nag-book na lang tayo ng Grab going back to our hotel. And then, from there, magpapahinga na muna tayo, shower, and take a nap, no? So, yun. Orderin nyo to guys, masarap.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And see what he